how are you today? I hope you are doing great with your family. Children, are you fasting or not today? I hope everyone is fasting. Children, Mother's Day is just around the corner, which is on 10 May. Do you know what is Mother's Day? What is Mother's Day, children? Mother's Day is all about celebrating the woman who raised and shaped who are you as a person. Remember, always respect and love your mother, okay? Celebrating them not only Mother's Day, but every day we should celebrate them. So every day is Mother's Day. Because of that, today I am going to teach you how to make flower craft using tissue roll so that you can give it to your mother. Children, do you want to know how to do it? Come, let me show you. The material that we need are color papers, tissue roll, glue, a pair of scissors, bottle lid, pencil, marker, and color pen. Okay, first you need to wrap the tissue roll. You can choose any color you want, but I choose green. Other than that, you can also use watercolor. Wrap it like this. So it will become like this now. The tissue roll has color. Then take another paper and draw the shape of leaf like this. Then you need to cut this. Remember to fold it into two so that when you cut it, you get two. You get two like this. Now, you need to fold it like this and put glue and paste it at the bottom of the tissue roll. Same goes with the other one. Fold it, put glue and paste it at the bottom like this. Now, take the bottle lid and draw like this. Okay, children, now after you draw, you need to cut it. You need to cut using scissors. Then you get it like this. Do you see? Next, take the bottle lid again and draw a circle like this. Then you need to cut this circle. You see a circle. Then put glue and put the circle in the middle of the flower. Okay, now you have a flower. After that, take the color pen and write a message for your mother at the back of the flower. For example, teacher write, I love you. See, I write, I love you. Next, the tissue roll, you need to cut it a bit at the side. Like this. You need to cut it like this. Then you need to put flower into the slit that you made just now. You see, in front of like this, and the back you have message for your mother. And the last one, you need to make a mini card. You can use any color you want and write Happy Mother's Day. Put glue at the mini card and paste it in the middle like this. You see, teacher write Happy Mother's Day. Children, now my flower crown is already done. So I hope you will enjoy this fun activity at your home. You can do this flower crown using your own creativity. So, children, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Happy fasting. Bye.